A food blogger did something this year that I can't stop thinking about. She counted everything in her kitchen: freezer, cupboards, fridge, 86 items. And then she said the line that reframes this whole thing. We're not short on food, we're short on planning. Hold on to that number, 86, because it comes back. Stick around and you'll get the exact 6-step sequence that turns a packed, chaotic fridge into a week of dinners in about 10 minutes. Here's why this matters more than it sounds. The average American household throws away around $1,500 of food a year. For a family of 4, the EPA puts it closer to $3,000. And here's the part that should sting. About 2/3 of that isn't spoiled on arrival. It's food you bought, meant to cook, and never got to in time. Read that again. That's not a cooking problem. That's a planning problem, which is the good news, because planning is fixable. So you'd think the fix is obvious in 2026. Just point a smart camera at your fridge. Samsung put Google's Gemini inside one this year. GE's got a camera that watches your vegetables wilt. And honestly, I went in assuming the camera was the magic. It isn't. A photo guesses your portions wrong by about 47%. For half-eaten leftovers, recognition drops to 62. And the snapshot apps forget everything the second you close them. Open it tomorrow, it has no memory of yesterday. The camera is a party trick. The sequence is the fix. So here's the sequence. Step 1, take inventory, but make it visible. The trick chefs use is reverse shopping. A blank list by category, then you raid the fridge, the freezer, the back of the pantry, like your kitchen is the store. Sort what you find by what dies first. Step 2, pick your anchors. A week of dinners isn't 15 equal ingredients. It's 3 to 5 anchors, your proteins and the produce closest to the edge, and everything else is supporting cast. The wilting spinach outranks the freezer chicken. Spinach goes first. Now, step 3, and this is the one part where AI genuinely earns its keep. You want 5 to 7 dinners that reuse those anchors. Doing that by hand means cross-referencing recipes against your shelves, which is exactly the tedious work humans are worst at and software is great at. A good planner reads your inventory and ranks the wilting spinach above the shelf-stable beans. Then step 4, stacking. You bought cilantro for Tuesday's tacos? Put something else with cilantro on Wednesday so the bunch doesn't rot. Roasted chicken Sunday, the carcass becomes soup Thursday. Stacking is the difference between buying 12 new things and buying 4. Step 5 turns the plan into actual money saved. Take everything the week needs, subtract everything you already own. What's left is your gap list, and it should be short. This is why planning beats shopping first. If your app doesn't subtract what you have, it just pads your cart. Recipy generates that gap list and pushes it straight to Instacart. So the 4 things you actually need show up at the door. Step 6 is the payoff of step 1. Cook the expiring stuff first. Salmon dies Wednesday? Salmon's a Monday dinner. The freezer chicken can wait. A plan that protects the perishables beats a rigid one that wastes them. Now, I promise to be straight with you. This isn't magic. The whole thing rides on one fragile thing: your inventory being accurate. If your list says you have garlic and you don't, the plan breaks at the stove. Photo scans miss stuff. Manual tracking rots if you stop updating it. So here's the verdict the 2026 reviews keep landing on. The tools that stay accurate longest aren't the fanciest cameras. They're the ones that update your pantry as a byproduct of planning, not as a separate chore you'll quit by week 2. Which brings us back to 86. That blogger wasn't out of food. She was out of a system. Inventory, anchors, stack, gap list, cook what's dying first. That's the system. So before your next grocery run, try the reverse. Open the fridge first, build around what's dying, and only then make the list. You'll waste less, spend less, and cook more of what you already paid for. If you want the whole loop in one place, that's the thing we're building at Recipy. The full 6-step breakdown is on the blog. And next time, I'm digging into why most AI recipe apps have no clue what your groceries actually cost, and what that blind spot quietly does to your cart. Subscribe and I'll see you there.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.